Hi, I'm Kaylee Victoria Rose.
I'm Thor Wixom. I was the cinematographer and editor for the film.
I'm Lauren Searles. I'm just their support therapist.
That's true.
This is parodying sci-fi, am I correct?
Yeah.
How's
Yes.
that experience for you guys?
Well,
Are you a fan of sci-fi yourself?
Yeah, I mean, parodying sci-fi it's kind of a difficult thing to do, because sci-fi is generally a serious genre, and so it's like, combining elements, and it was a bit of a challenge, but I think this movie really pulled it off, and I think it was largely because of the performances by wonderful actresses such as Kaylee.
Thank you.
What is your character in this movie?
I play Laura Luzer. I'm a TV host.
Okay, not a villain.
No.
So,
Not in this one.
just one question: Star Trek or Star Wars?
Oh gosh, both?
Yeah, I
Let's
know.
choose both. As Cartman said, I choose both.
A lot of Star Trek stars, obviously.
Yes.
How do you manage their scheduling?
Oh, that was a big problem.
Yeah.
We had to wait. We had to crew up and crew down. So it took the better part of 2 years to get everything shot.
2 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, we would shoot a day or two, and then we crew down, wait for other people to be available. And some of these people were in Paris or Tokyo or wherever, and so we just had to wait. So this compilation of people will probably never happen again.
Any of them contributed their own jokes? Or gave some
A lot of them did. A lot of it was ad libbed. So yeah, it was interesting, especially the editing. I never knew that the movie is made in the editing room. It's not made on the set. You're just getting material on the set. But when you get to the editing room, that's when you know, okay, what do I have to work with here? And so then you put the movie together there. So
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Enjoy the night.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. It feels to be in a sci-fi comedy.
It's the first time I've done anything like that,
Yes.
so it is a kick for me to be able to be in one, and I enjoyed working on it a
Have a
lot.
sharp comedic timing?
I've got pretty good timing, yes, I think so. But this show is pretty broad in terms of the comedy. It's got a lot of visual comedy and things like that, not so much dialogue. So the timing is going to be different in terms of the way we play things.
All right, gotta ask you this. Do you miss the world of Star Trek? You miss being on
The world of Star I never leave the world of Star Trek. I'm always with the world of Star Trek. So there won't be any chance of me to miss it at all, I think, the rest of my life.
So how are you going to celebrate the 50th anniversary tonight?
Well, tonight I'm going to watch this movie, this good parody, with all of my friends who are in the movie as well. And then there's a party afterwards, and we'll have a few drinks to toast to all the good parody.
Thank you so much.